Hello, it's Peter again. I just wanted to show you one of the common problems I come across all the time, bank reconciliation. Quite often I hear people say, yeah, my bank balance reconciles, Xero, everything like that. And that's normally noticeable by this front screen, right, where we can see the balance is 05609 and the statement balance is 6962. In this particular example, we see that there's a difference. Right, we'll go and explore that in a moment. But the most common problem that I find with a lot of customers is that this statement balance doesn't agree with the bank statement balance that you get from the bank or you see online, whatever's your excess. So it's most important that we get that part corrected first, right? And that should be done on a regular basis. If you're reconciling your bank account on a daily basis, these two balances should always agree, right? And they should agree to your bank statement or your online banking, right? And the same process applies to your credit card feeds as well. Now, quite often, the reason why you might get a difference between this statement balance here and the paper copy is the fact that transactions get missed. Right? They don't always get imported, right? It's a natural occurrence that there are going to be times that bank feeds do not come in, or sometimes there's duplicate bank feeds, right? There's issues with like PayPal in some countries with the bank feeds. We won't cover that today, but my main point is always check the statement balance against the balance that you've got on your internet banking or your paper format. Okay, so if we are reconciling bank account on a daily basis, right, in Xero, these two balances should be identical, right? In this case, it's not. So let's go and have a look why. Right, so we open up the business bank account. And from looking at it, there's no transactions that we need to allocate, as we'll see in a minute. Alright, we click on this window here called the reconcile. Alright, there's no transactions, so the problem must be deep down. So let's click on the account transaction tab and see what there could be a difference. To me it looks like about $1,350 odd difference, right? So we scroll down the page and have a look to see if there's anything for the amount of $1,300 odd. Alright, can you see it? We've got two payments in here. We have two payments of $1,353. One that's been reconciled and one that hasn't. Both to the same supplier. Alright, so what we can basically do is we can click on this one here, right, that hasn't been reconciled. Go back up and remove and redo. That appears to be a manual entry, alright? It's not something that's come through the bank account. And look what's happened to the bank. The statement balance is now identical to the balance that's in Xero. So, and it says there it's reconciled. We have a quick look on the screen. We've only got one line, and that's how your Xero bank account should be every day. Okay folks, that's it for today. Thank you.